Welcome home to 43 Villa Street, located in Salinas, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, recently remodeled unit, new flooring and painting throughout. Look at this beautiful kitchen. You have a stainless steel dishwasher, refrigerator, electric stove, and a microwave. New countertops and storage. We also do have a pantry. Spacious living room area. It does open up to a bedroom. Double closet doors with mirror. Down the hallway to your right, you do find the bathroom, and then to the left, you have your second bedroom. Spacious, good sized bedrooms, both with double closet doors. There is a washer and dryer laundry room on the property, storage room, and parking on site available. This home is conveniently located within short distance to schools, shopping centers, freeway access, and much more. Give us a call today to tour.